Hello everyone. So today we'll be going to start with the functions. So let's see what are the functions. Okay. So we will be dealing with the functions. So today we will going to see the function definition, prototyping, and function call. There are a lot many more things, but as a part of today's lecture, we will be dealing with the definition, prototyping, and function call. Okay. So before moving with the function, you should know why we use the function. What is the need of function? Why is it important to use the function? So the first and most important point is that why we use function. Why we use function in C. Okay, let me write in why we use functions. Okay. So first thing is your modularity. What is meant by modularity? Modularity means that functions allows breaking down a program into smaller, manageable and modular pieces, enhancing code organization and readability. What does it means to you? It means to you that with the help of functions, our code get divided into a small part of a block. So it can be easily be manageable. It can be easily manageable and it will be a smaller as well as it will be easy to readable. Okay, I will let me write it readable. Okay. Second, reusability. Reusability. Okay, if there is any spelling mistake, please correct at your side. Okay. Reusability, what does it mean? So whatever you are writing in the code within the function can be reused at different parts of the program. It reduces your redundancy and promoting the maintainability. What does it means? You can reuse the code again and again. You can reuse the code again and again at different parts of the program. Don't need to write the same code again and again. You need to just call that function and all the thing will be happening for you. Okay, remember this part. The next thing is your abstraction. What do you mean by the abstraction? So it means that function provide a level of abstraction. It enables, as we are using a C program, so we are the coders. Okay, so it enables developers, means we are the developers, to focus on specific tasks. So with the help of function we are focused on the particular task and without worrying about the internal details, whatever things are happening in the internal details. So we deal with the other parts of the program. Okay, it makes our tasks easier. And the next advantage itself is that you are easy debugging. What does it specifically mean to you? Easy debugging means with function debugging becomes more straightforward. What is meant by debugging? Whenever any error occurs or whenever you want to check code line by line, function to function, easy debugging can be help you because it solves your issues and your program. Whatever things you have done the mistake, it can be isolated to the specific function, making it easier to identify and you can fix the problem. Remember. Okay. Fifth is your scoping. Generally there are not many uses of the function as well as advantages as well as whatever things you can call why we use the function and industry functions. All the codes are written in the function itself. So, okay, whenever it is required to call any particular function, it is called at that particular moment of time. Remember. So functions, what does the function, what is meant by scoping? It is the limitation. What is meant by limitation? So thing is that it has some limiting visibility to the variables, to the specific parts of the code, which helps us to prevent naming conflicts and untitled side, like you can remember it as the side effects. So with the help of function you can be going with the scoping. The scoping will be dealing with the limitations. Okay, remember it will be helping you in the prevent. It will be preventing your namings. Whatever things I have mentioned now, it will be getting you more clear when we are dealing with the code part, when we are going to see the syntax. All the five things which are the main, which I will be explaining you now through with the help of a code. So now let's begin with the function definition part. What do you mean by function definition? What do you mean by function definition? As you can see, we have done with the definition. We have seen the definition in not many concepts. It's very simple line I'm writing in front of you, that is your functions in C are what? Blocks of code. What do you mean by blocks of code? Some lines of code are written, it forms a block of code which is designed to perform a specific task. Okay, remember this thing. If any spelling mistake, correct at your side. So function in C are a block of code. It is a simple block of code that is designed to perform a specific task. It can be any specific task. Okay. So if you want me to explain with this with the help of an example, let's take a simple example in front of you. That is, let me write a header file and okay, let it be as it is. I am writing here in front of you. So no need to write now header file. I'm just giving you the syntax explanation. So see, very simple function definition through this example, that is function definition. Okay. So see how I am defining the function. First thing, write what the thing you need to write. Type of your function, then function name. In that I am passing something. What are these things? What are those things? We will be saying. You can say I passes int a, int b. You can see in this example I am performing the task of addition. So here I am using the keyword return a plus b. Why I'm writing the return a plus b? So I'm passing two arguments to it. So my function will be doing addition of it. As my function I name as addition, it will going to perform the task of addition. After performing addition, as I have written from the function, means I am returning from the function by doing the addition of it. If you have not understood this part through this example or through this simple syntax, let me take you through the code. Let me take you through the code. So while dealing with the code, you will be getting a more understanding in what sense, in what way. See. So let me write here for you. Hashtag include stdio.h. I am writing here function definition for you. See now. I am writing the thing that is a function definition. In what way? Int add. Same thing I am writing, which I have written above for you, int b. And I will be returning a as well as b. Why I am returning a plus b? You will come to know soon. You will come to know soon about it. See. Now in my main part, in my main code, what the thing I am doing? The thing I am doing is here is that I am sorry, I will be doing the task. I will be doing some task that is called as a function call. So in main, you will be calling that function what you have created the above, which is your function definition. Simple way, int result, int result. Create a variable as a result or whatever you want to name, but your proper name. And I will be writing my function name. And as you can see above, we have done written that int a and int b. So what should I write here? What should I write here? So you can write here numbers. Of what numbers you need a addition. Okay. And after that, simply print the result. Simple way, in the simple manner, just print the result. So I will be writing the result of adding 5 and 8 is in front of you, that is will be percent d backslash n, and it will be storing into the result semicolon. Okay, so I have written the code in front of you in the simple and easiest manner. Now okay, let me also write a return 0. Don't forget to write return 0. Now let me run it. You can see the desired output. The result of adding 5 and 8 is 13. So you can see how the function calling is done here. Instead of writing now function again and again, simple thing I will be doing, what the thing I will be doing, I will be just if I want to perform any more addition, I will be writing a variable name. I will be calling the add function. Suppose I want to store in the result one. I want to perform the addition of 7 and 5. Okay, I want to check now its output. What will be the output of 7 and 5? Just I will be writing a result 1 and what will be the addition of 7 and 5. You can see no need to write the same thing and again now. That is you're adding a plus b. You can see I got the result in the simplest manner. So this is the general use of a function. If you want me to explain this example again, so listen. The first thing we have done, that is the function add. You can see about the function add is defined to take two integers. It is defined to take the two integers, that is your int a as int b. You can call this parameters. Remember one thing, parameters. These are your parameters, okay? And return their sum. And we are returning their sum. That is, you return a plus b. We are returning their sum. Then we came to main part, and we have done here simple, and we have done simply one thing. The thing is that we have used that add function, and with the help of the arguments we have written 3 and 5 or 5 and 8 or 7 and 5, whatever we want to perform the addition, and those things we have stored into the result variable. Okay, we have stored into the result variable and we have simply printed result variable, so we got the result whatever we want. So this was a simple thing about your function definition, how it works, how the way and the general process is behind the working of your function definition. So yeah, I have explained you now the function definition. Now let's see what is the function prototyping. Again, a very simple thing. See now, let me keep this header file as it is at the start of the code. No need to write it again and again. And you can see I also no need to write this thing again and again, but I am explaining you. That's why I'm commenting this part. Because I am now teaching the function, I can write here itself. I can create a multiple functions now and I will be calling into the main. But as an explanation part, I need to write a whole code for you again and again. Okay, so you'll be getting a clear idea about it. So you now see that is a function prototyping. Here what we can learn about the function prototyping. Simple thing. See, by the simple definition whatever I'm writing, you can come to know what is the function prototyping. Function prototyping. So prototyping declares the function. What I do, we declare the function signature before its actual implementation. Before its actual implementation, the line itself defines that whenever you are declaring the function before creating the actual implementation of the function, we will defining the prototype. We will be declaring the prototype of that the function. Okay, prototyping declares the functions. Prototyping declares the function signature before its actual implementation. But how? See, example. Here is the function prototype. So this is the simple example. Int add, int add, and int a, int b. So you can see a simple prototype I have created. I can use whenever I want, but by example you will be getting a more idea. So see, let me take you through the example so it will be a more clear concept for you. So see, with the help of example, what is a function prototyping? So the thing it is mentioned that, again repeating, prototyping declares the function signature. Okay, it declares the function signatures. It declares the function signature, but in what manner, but in how manner, we will be going to see. Again, this example will be also a good example, but only I will be copying this example. I will be taking, I will, in this will be performing for you multiplication, just changing addition to the multiplication. So see the example. Function proto function prototyping. Pasting that code as it is. Okay. Hmm. See now here. Focus on this. So what the thing I am doing here? See. So you can see this was our previous code. Okay, we were doing this thing, but now we want to see the function prototype. What is the function prototype? It means that, okay, I hope I'm audible. So see, the thing is happening in the function prototyping is that here, instead of dealing with this part, let me write it in proper way. You can write your function prototype here as int multiply int a and int b semicolon. You can say I have done my function prototype, but where I will be getting the result, that's the main question. Okay, so you can see I am writing an int multiply as well. The result of 5 and 8 is okay, no worries. Here also no worries. Multiplying, okay, the result of multiplying. Here one thing you will be noticing that I have not done the multiplication yet. But I have only done the function prototype. Hmm. Where is my function definition? Give some thought on it. How we will be doing. So this is the simple thing of the function prototype. You can write your function definition here. It is I'm writing my function definition here, and I will be naming it as multiply. And here instead of written a plus b, I will be doing a star b, a asterisk b, a multiply b. So see what the thing we have done here. Before the main function there is a function prototype. You can see there before the main function there is a function prototype. Okay, int multiply int a int b. So the prototype declares the function signature, specifying the return type and parameter types. Okay, and what the things our main part is doing, it is just printing the result, and it is calling over the multiply in the multiply function in it. An actual definition of the multiply function comes after the main function. You can see the actual definition comes after the main function. This happens because with the help of a function prototype. If you are declaring the function prototype above your main code, you will be going in this particular fashion. Okay, remember, you can write your function prototype here, and after the main part you can define the function. So let me save it and run it. You can see the result. Okay, there is an issue. Yeah, it will be a genuine issue. No need to worry. Let me write here multiply. Okay, because I have copied the above code as well. That's why. Now let me run it. You can see the result of multiply 5 8 is 40, correct. 7 5 is 35. Okay, so you can see we are getting the result, actually what the result we want. And this was the concept of a function prototype. Either you can go with the function definition, directly writing a definition above, or either you can go with the function prototype first, give signature, that is the what you can call as a function signature, and after that you can create a function below the main part. It depends on you on what way you want to go. follow that way. Okay, no worries. So this was about your function prototype. So your next part is your function call. Okay, we have done this part, but again, as a point, I need to explain you again what is the function call. See here, function call. We have done in the both program of a function call. See what we do here. We do the thing of invoking. What do you mean by invoking? So invoking generally means, see, whatever we are calling in the calling in a result, whatever we are doing in the mid part, we are calling a function, we are invoking a function. Invoking a function executes the code inside it. A very simple thing. So itself we have done in the above code as well, but as a name, as a proper point, let's see with the example again. So this is the thing we are doing in the above both the code. You can see that is a function call. We are calling function in our main part, that is called as a function call. Okay, if you want to go with the definition, please go with the definition. Invoking a function executes the code inside it. So there are some spelling mistakes, please correct at your side. Okay, invoking a function executes the code inside it. It means that we are calling the function in your main part, that is your function call. A very simple and easy statement written in front of you. So if you want me to take one more example as a code to explain you in a proper manner, so yeah, I'm ready to give. I'm ready to take a code. Okay, so we have done with the addition multiplication. So this time, let's go with the example for a function call. So I will be taking now and dealing with the your character. Okay, so see. So I will be also using the concept of a function prototype. So it will be again clear to you all. Please focus. Function prototype means you need to write a function signature void. This time void. Whenever you are writing a void, there is not a return type. Void does not have a return type. Void does not have a return type. Void does not have a return type. Okay. So see, greet user. I am going to greet the user. Okay. So I am writing a char name, whatever will be the name of the user. So this is done. This was my part of the function prototype. You can see how I have created the function prototype. Now in my main function, I will be writing a simple thing for you. You can see now in a general manner what we do. Greet user. This is my function, and I'm passing a name. Okay, let me pass my name Yash. I'm passing my name. Okay, you can see a function prototype whatever I've written. So I'm passing my name and returning 0. Okay, but yet I have not done with the function definition. But how can I do with the function definition? It is a void part. As we all know, if you are creating a function prototype, after the main part you can go with your function definition. So see, simple part. Again writing void grid user which is my function name, and let me write char name. Here I will be writing, here I will be not writing a return statement because it is of type of void. So let me print here itself. Again repeating, I'm using a void type. I'm using a void. Okay, void does not have a return type. So see, return. So sorry, print hello percentage, which will be my name, and I'm writing welcome to the program. Okay, this is a simple greeting statement I have written in front of you, and let me pass. Okay, percentage will be my name. Okay, fine. So you can see a very simple thing and very easy thing I have done. And here you can see where we have done the function call Here, this is the part where we have done the function call, because function call is done into the main part. Okay, you can see how it's generally work. If I run this code now, you can see the output. Hello Yash, welcome to the program. Okay, it's fine. Our program is running, executing in a proper manner. Okay, if you don't understand now also, let me explain again. So here you can see there's a function prototype that is a void greet user char name before the main function. The main function calls the greet user. The main function calls the greet user function with the argument which is my name. I have written yes. You can pass your name and check. The actual definition of the greet user function is provided after the which function, which is after the main function. This is your actual definition. Here you can see the greet user function takes a string char name, okay, and as a parameter it prints a personalized greeting. You can see we have printed a personalized greeting. So this was the simple agenda of your what function call. So in this lecture we have seen definition, prototyping as well as a function call in a detail. We have seen its explanation as well as a code. I have taken 3 examples of code. I expect some coding practice from your side. And in the next lecture, we will be seeing some different, that is your return statement. As we have seen the return statement here itself, but again I will be explaining your return statement, call by value and call by reference. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. We will be meeting in the next video. Till that time, bye bye. Keep learning. Happy coding. Bye bye.